All right, skeleton key. Very nice. Really good shape. I love finding those. Out here digging at the lake. A little bit chilly. Back at you. Just dug this fine looking lady. Maybe the top of a trophy. Maybe it looks like she was bowling. She's missing a boob. All right, good stuff. Looking marble right there. Nice one. Cool, love those marbles. All right, appears we have a token. Good for one bottle of Dr. Pepper at 5 cents. All right, that's pretty cool. We'll get it cleaned up. Love tokens. Just popped out a belt buckle. Could be silver. I mean, it sure looks good. It's got a K on the front of it. I imagine that thing is heavy. Get the dirt out of it. It's got some markings on it. Hopefully it is say sterling. Man, that thing is, I don't know, probably. That thing looks good. Alright, man, we'll get a picture of it. Check this out. Talk about a screaming hole. Nice eagle button. If you saw my last video, I've dug a few of these. World War II Air Force. But in the hole with it, a token. Heads I win. Tails you lose. Cascarets always wins. I think it says best for the bowels. Well, isn't that interesting? You guys look that up. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think of that token. That's a great. I thought for sure I had big silver half. I tell you what, those are some good finds. Thanks for coming along, guys. Well, got a foreign coin. Looks really old. We'll try to get some information on it. All right. Never know what you're going to find. All right. Got another large coin token. Ah, I know what that is. That's going to be a good luck token. Sure is. Good. Maybe we can get a date on it. Pretty cool. Tokens, tokens, tokens. All right, another belt buckle. WIKEF. It's got a guy surfing on it. Man. All right. Good looking belt.